Hey dolls, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I go by FaceDollMJ and today I will be creating this beautiful rhinestone beat for you all. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. Also hit that post notification bell so you are the first to know when I upload. As you can see, I am filling in my brows with that Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is my holy grail brow product. Like, I don't use any other pencil but this one. This is my go-to. Like, it's worth every dollar. To conceal under my brows, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Right now, I can't think of the shade of this concealer, but I will list all of the products below as well as the shades that I used in this video. I'm going to use this same concealer all over the lid. I'm going to blend everything out as best as possible. I'm going to go in with a lighter shade. This is e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealer, and as you can see, it's much brighter than the first shade. And I'm going to put this concealer on the lids as well. I also tried my best not to bring the lighter shade to the front of the eyebrows. I kept it on the end of the eyebrows and majority on the eyelids. Now I'm going to set it with the Airspun loose powder. This is the translucent powder. This is going to help that concealer stay in place and give me a smooth canvas to put the eyeshadow on. Here I'm using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm using the brown shade in that palette. And I'm going to pack on this color and build it up to the pigment that I like. And I'm also going to be blending out as I build the color. As you can see, I'm using swiping and circular motions to blend that eyeshadow out. Now to brighten up under the eyes, I use the e.l.f. Brightening Pen. This is a peachy color, so it has a peach tone to it. I let this sit under my eyes while I finish off the eyes. Now I'm using the Ardell Duo Lash Glue to tack on the rhinestone. I purchased these rhinestones from a local hair store. Now I'm using the Fenty Hella Thick Mascara. Then going in with my lashes. I got these from the hair store as well, but they're by Ebin. I blend out all of that concealer that was under the eye. Next, I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses Duo Cream Foundation. I'm going to place this product on my cheeks, my forehead, down the nose, my chin and jawline, and also right up under my bottom lip. As you can see, this product blends out really smoothly. It's easy to work with. Now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the same shade I used with the eyebrows, and I'm going to go on the outer corners of my eye, down the nose, on the lip, on the chin, right up under that contour, and also on the forehead right in the center. Then with a brighter shade, the same shade I used earlier, going in with into the inner corner of my eye with that shade to give it more of a brightening effect. I'm spraying my brush with that MAC Fix Plus spray, and then I'm going to blend out the first concealer. With a smaller brush, I'm going to blend out the inner corners. I've learned that placement is very important when it comes to your makeup, so I do my best to focus on placement. Going in with my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. This is my Ride or Die foundation. I use this no matter what the season is. This is my go-to foundation, my absolute favorite. I'm using this to marry everything together. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Blush. This is a newer product that I picked up and decided to use. I think it's really pretty. It also have a shimmering, effect to this blush. So it gives you, of course, a glow, which I think is very pretty. Now to set that concealer replaced down, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I make sure I press in really good to make sure I lock in that concealer, and so that it doesn't move. Now using the Sephora Micro Smooth Foundation Powder, I'm going to use this to give my makeup more of a clean look, and this is going to make everything look airbrushed and also helping everything to look well blended together. Using the same translucent powder, I'm gonna let this sit in the inner corner of my eye and along down the side of my nose. Using Juvia's Place Duo Bronzer in the tan shade, I'm going to use this to give my face more warmth. using that translucent powder, I'm going to use that to snatch the cheeks. Using NYX's retractable pencil. This is also waterproof. I like to use waterproof pencils when it comes to my liners because my eyes tend to get watery, and you know that's one of the worst things to happen with your eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the same shade I used on the eyelids. Then I'm going to dust away that translucent powder that we set and also pressing it in. Using the same palette that I used to warm up my face to contour the nose more. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation powder by NYX. This is also going to help give you an airbrush look and also helping with any possible flashback. Now I'm using the Baked Blush by Milani. Then to set everything in place, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus Spray. Using Downtown Beauty Lip Pencil by NYX. Using NYX Lip Lingerie. I'm going in with a darker shade. This is the shade Espresso, also by NYX. Alright, this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this beautiful look. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.